Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this messy braided bun hairstyle. To start, I've left a few sections of hair out to frame the face. Now we're just going to divide off the top of the hair from the end of the eyebrows, and we're going to pop this into a clear elastic band. Using your fingers, make a small hole behind the elastic band and pass your ponytail up to your fingers and pull it through so you create a small twist. Add some texture spray to that section. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below for you. And then all we're going to do is pinch and pull at the hair all around the crown area and on either side of those twists. Next, working on the right hand side, we're going to take a small section of hair and simply create a 3-strand braid. Every few inches, stop braiding and just use the edge of your fingers to pull out each stitch of those braids just to make it nice and messy. Carry on braiding until you reach the end of the hair and secure it off with an elastic band. Now we're going to take the same size section on the opposite side, and this time I've decided to do a fishtail braid. So split that section in half, and then we're going to take a thin slice of hair from the left hand strand and pass it over to join the right hand strand. And then take a thin slice of hair from the right hand strand, pass it over the top and join it into the left hand strand. And then just carry on until you've got a few inches of braid, and then gently use your fingers to pinch and pull at that braid to make it nice and voluminous. Carry on braiding until you've reached the end of the hair and secure it with a clear elastic band. Taking that fishtail braid, we're going to bring it over to the right hand side and pin it to the head. Then, taking your 3-strand braid, bring that over to the left hand side and pin it just underneath the fishtail. Secure the remaining hair into a low ponytail and we're going to create a rope braid. So split the section in half, twist both sections towards the left hand side, and then cross the left strand over the right strand. Once you've reached the bottom of the hair, secure it off with a clear elastic band. Add some more texture spray to that rope braid and then really pinch and pull that braid apart to create some textured volume. Now, taking the end of that braid, all we're going to do is roll it up until it meets the head and then secure it all the way around that bun with some bobby pins. Once you've got that bun secure, just spend a couple of minutes pinching and pulling at each little loop to get it nice and voluminous. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.